Hi, welcome, namaste. From all of us, thank you so much for joining the Embodied Wisdom Within Yoga Immersion. It was truly an honor to journey with you through the 7 chakras and share this beautiful week of movement and meditation, reflection, and connection. And if this immersion awakens something within you, if you feel called to continue this journey and explore the deeper wisdom of yoga, I would love to invite you to explore or apply for our next Embodied Wisdom 200-hour online yoga teacher training beginning this September 19th. We do this once a year. It's a 9-month live online journey co-directed by Tiina, Kivinen, and me, alongside our wonderful teaching team at the School of Living Yoga. Embodied wisdom is so much more than learning how to guide yoga. It's more than postures. It's really an invitation to explore yoga as a living, transformational path and to bring the teachings off of the mat and into every part of your life, really, your relationships, all of it. And over 9 months, we move through each chakra together, month by month, in much greater depth, while exploring yoga philosophy, the yamas and the niyamas, meditation, pranayama, asana, yoga nidra, and the subtle body, nervous system regulation, and really the art of holding space for others with confidence, with compassion, with authenticity. And our training includes monthly live Zoom gatherings with our full Sangha, all of us there together, and also weekly live sadhanas with our teaching team, optional partner practice calls weekly, mentoring opportunities every single week, and to have the ability to practice on others every single week is a really rare thing over a full 9-month container, which is creating such powerful transformations in people's willingness to go out into the world and teach, their confidence. It's really a beautiful thing. Our live sessions are recorded, making the program accessible across all different time zones, all the different places in the world, which is beautiful. We have a global Sangha, and you'll also receive lifetime access to our online classroom, including all of the video lessons and training materials and your manual, your journaling prompts, your asana clinics, meditations, yoga nidra recordings, all of the demonstrations and practices. And you can move through all of these resources at your own pace and return to them for years to come, which many of our trainees love to do. And you don't need to know for certain that you want to become a yoga teacher to join us. This training is also for yoga and meditation teachers who want to deepen their skills. It's for devoted students who feel called to explore beyond the postures, and educators, therapists, healthcare professionals, space holders who want to share in these different ways in the practices in their lives in this meaningful way of bringing yoga and making it accessible to more people. Together, Tiina and I bring more than 10,000 combined hours of directing teacher trainings. But what means the most to us is hearing how this journey has helped people trust themselves, discover their authentic voices, deepen their spiritual connection, create greater emotional resiliency, feel more confident sharing what they love. And our most recent year was the most beautiful and the most powerful version of Embodied Wisdom that we have ever offered. It was so exciting. The program continues to deepen, continues to evolve, and I'm so excited to welcome our next cohort. And I invite you to listen to the reflections and the testimonials from some of our recent graduates or some of our graduates from many years past. And I'll link it in the cards and at the end of this video. And you'll also find a link below to look at the information, to download the information package, and then you can explore the full curriculum, the tuition, the financial assistance options, the frequently asked questions, the application process. Everything is there for you in a comprehensive information package. And just remember that the journey through the wisdom within doesn't end here. The complete 7-day playlist will remain available. So you can revisit a favorite practice at any time or begin the full journey from root to crown. If you missed out on the immersion this year, you can still do it at your own pace whenever you need it. And thank you for sharing in this experience with us. It's been truly an honor. And if the wisdom within you is asking to go deeper, we would truly be honored to welcome you into the Embodied Wisdom 200-hour Hatha Yoga Teacher Training this September. So send us an application. We'd love for you to join the Sangha. Okay, have a beautiful day. Thank you for your patience with the construction over here next to my house, and we'll see you in another video soon.